Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of uh, Thursday. Yes, Thursday, January the 13th, 2022. We have here in this daily newspaper one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Yes, and it's also the full lockdown day number 26. In this daily newspaper, there's also an additional with nine extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, five of them I will post it on YouTube. So let's start with this one. First number. This will be a number 3972. 3972. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, my time limit must be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah, how about the 1 in this column, the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Height. A lot of 9s. So the 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, let me see. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. How about the number? Yeah. How about the number? I'm thinking. Oh, right. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Okay. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this row. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, and no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Well. 3, 6, 5. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. Well, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Alright. Done. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only place left for the 4 should be there. Done. Well, these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 need to mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, the 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, on last column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last column. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? We have here the 5, but we need also a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see that 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. I need to mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box should be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you. And I you like this one, yes? I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other extra puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.